Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Questions and Answers for Trivia Quiz. Today's question is: what 1949 science fiction book by George Orwell describes a dystopian world in the future? Science fiction books are fascinated. They often make book lovers keep reading them to get on a journey of curiosity and discovery. There are many influential science fiction books. Here are 3 examples of them. 1. City, by Clifford D. Simak. This book is a collection of interconnected short stories that explore the future of humanity and the evolution of civilization. Set in a distant future where humans have abandoned Earth, leaving it to robots and intelligent dogs, the narratives delve into themes of loneliness, the nature of humanity, and the possibility of coexistence between different species. Simak paints a vivid picture of a world where technology and nature intertwine, challenging readers to contemplate the essence of what it means to be human. 2. Andyman, by Angela Steinmuller and Karlheinz Steinmuller. This science fiction novel unfolds in a distant future where humanity has spread across the stars, encountering various alien species and civilizations. The story centers on a group of human and alien scientists embarking on a mission to Andyman, a mysterious and seemingly uninhabited planet. As they explore this world, they uncover secrets about an ancient, vanished civilization and face ethical dilemmas about the use of technology, the nature of consciousness, and the value of different forms of life. The narrative delves into themes of exploration, the consequences of colonialism, and the quest for understanding across cultural and species divides, all while presenting a richly imagined universe filled with intriguing characters and speculative scientific ideas. 3. On Two Planets, by Kurt Laswitz. This classic science fiction novel explores the first contact between humans and the inhabitants of Mars. It presents a vision of a technologically advanced Martian civilization that has achieved a harmonious balance between technology, nature, and society. When a German expedition to the North Pole accidentally discovers a Martian colony on Earth, it sets off a series of events that lead to mutual curiosity, cultural exchanges, and misunderstandings between the two species. The narrative delves into themes of ethics, politics, and the potential for peaceful coexistence between vastly different cultures, offering a hopeful yet complex view of interplanetary relations. Through its imaginative depiction of Martian society and technology, the novel raises questions about human progress, environmental stewardship, and the universal values that might bridge worlds. The 1949 science fiction book by George Orwell that describes a dystopian world in the future is titled 1984, sometimes written as 1984. The novel is a classic of the dystopian genre and portrays a totalitarian regime, surveillance, and the manipulation of truth and reality in a grim and oppressive future society. It has been influential in discussions of surveillance, government control, and the erosion of individual freedoms. The answer for the question is 1984. The book was published on June 8, 1949 by Secker and Warburg as Orwell's 9th and final book completed in his lifetime. Here is a plot summary of the book. Set in an imagined future, believed to be the year 1984, the story unfolds in Airstrip 1, a province of the totalitarian superstate Oceania. Led by the dictatorial figure Big Brother, Oceania engages in constant propaganda, historical negationism, and thought manipulation through the Ministry of Truth. The protagonist, Winston Smith, works at the Ministry of Truth and secretly despises the party. He keeps a forbidden diary and begins a relationship with a colleague named Julia. Together, they learn about a shadowy resistance group called the Brotherhood. However, their contact within the Brotherhood turns out to be a party agent, leading to their arrest. Winston undergoes psychological manipulation and torture by the Ministry of Love. Ultimately, he betrays Julia and realizes his love for Big Brother. Impact and legacy. The book, 1984, has become a classic example of political and dystopian fiction. It popularized terms such as Orwellian, which describe oppressive surveillance, thought control, and manipulation. Phrases like Big Brother, doublethink, thought police, and newspeak entered common usage, reflecting the novel's enduring impact. Parallels have been drawn between its subject matter and real-life instances of totalitarianism, mass surveillance, and violations of freedom of expression. Thanks for watching.